If you're using one of Beacon's pre-designed templates, you'll notice that there's already a lot of sample content included. Now you can customize all of this content to suit your own needs. Whenever you hover over a piece of content on the page, you'll notice a pink border along with a description of the content type. For example, this is a headline, this is an image, and this is a button. So to make changes to any of these elements, just click them. And once you do that, this blue menu will appear. You'll notice now that each type of content has its own customization options. So for example, with buttons, you can change color, style, and font type. But with images, you can change the picture, the alignment, or the size. Now, no matter what type of content card you're editing, they will always have this menu along the bottom. Now, this menu allows you to move items up and down the page, to delete the content card entirely, or to make a copy of it. You can then customize that new copy to suit your own needs.